Yeah, I think the damn thing's on. What the hell's that ant doing on my screen? Some bitch. Get out of there. Hey, TV people. Howlin' Mad Mud Duck back at you early Wednesday morning. I guess it's the 19th. I'm supposed to call up to this courthouse place and around 10 o'clock today. Subpoena. And find out if to determine if hearing is still scheduled. Well, I'm looking at this and it says by testifying in court as directed, you were entitled to a fee of $10 plus a mileage payment. These fees will be paid by check and delivered by mail after the hearing. Please note that the witness will only receive payment if they testify. Well, I'm trying to figure out why in the fuck should I go up to goddamn Seattle? Maybe get $10 if I maybe testify. And they ain't gonna pay me shit for mileage. Because I get 7 miles to the gallon right now, the way the truck's running. I should probably take it out on the freeway and run it for 20 minutes at freeway speed and burn some of that crap. The Arco gas is built up on my plugs off it, but that's why it's running like shit. Is the cheap fucking Arco gas falls out my plugs. But 20 minutes of freeway from here, I'm not taking my truck on that stretch of freeway. I kind of like my tires and suspension. Rattle shit loose driving up that. Thump, 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 thump. No. If I slid into Seattle, I'd have to slide in the back way. Back roads. They got this length of involuntary commitment thing here. If the patient agrees to hospitalization or if the judge hears the evidence and decides legal criteria have been met for involuntary commitment, the judge will order the patient receive treatment in the hospital for a period not more than 14 days. If the hospital determines further treatment of the patient is necessary, a subsequent petition may be filed in court requesting an additional period of treatment for the patient. Thank you for providing information and your time to assist with the investigation or evaluation of this case. Our system could not function without cooperation of our witnesses. Daniel T. Saddleberg, Prosecuting Attorney, Seattle, Washington, Involuntary Treatment Unit. So basically, they're going to involuntary commit her. Good. Of course, this shit on the front here where it says I need to be there Thursday, December 20th, 2018 to testify as a witness in the above cause and to remain in attendance in said court until discharged. Yeah, right. Like I'm gonna hang out in a fucking courtroom any longer than I gotta fucking have to. I'm still having problems with this witness shit because I've never been on that side of the courtroom before. Usually it's somebody testifying against my dumb ass. I've never tested. I mean, to me, this almost sounds like telling. And I don't tell in court. I'll make a YouTube video about telling on some shit going on, but I won't fucking tell in court. Court wants my goddamn opinion. Watch my fucking YouTube channel. Motherfuckers, I've been documenting this since she went fucking insane on me. Well, she was always insane. Just here lately, she's gone off the deep end without a lifeguard. So I'm sitting there waiting for 10 o'clock to show up so I can call up to these people and ask them, and just how in the fuck do you expect me to get up there? I'm on a fixed needs, or a needs to be fixed income. Broken income. It's gonna cost me 50 goddamn dollars to run my truck into Seattle and back. They've been doing that all goddamn day. Big Air Force transport planes flying over. There was like 6 of them yesterday. But how am I going to get into Seattle? It's going to cost at least $50 for gas. Get in and out of Seattle, and there's parking. You guys want to fuck off my Christmas? Not that I'm going to be doing anything for Christmas. Nephew got me something for Christmas. I traded him something, he gave me something, and, well, he got an OtterBox for his phone. But he gave me this for Christmas. It's some sort of Bluetooth thingy. Drains the battery in the phone real quick, but fucking rock and rolls. Get a phone call while I'm driving along. Goddamn thing talks to me. I don't have to fuck with the phone, so, I'm happy. That saves that goddamn sticking something in my fucking ear Bluetooth shit and look like some sort of faggot from NASA. So, back to this goddamn paperwork. Instructions for witness who receive a subpoena or request to appear in King County Superior Court in voluntary treatment court. It gives me an explanation of the subpoena. Transportation. It gives me. This ain't too goddamn far from where they did my colon surgery. Last time I was up in Seattle was colon surgery. No validated parking. Bus service. If the paralegal tells you to go to court, please arrive at the courtroom located at such and such place at 9 a.m. This piece of paper says I'm supposed to be there at 8:30 a.m. I'm seeing some inconsistencies here. Be there by 8:30. I gotta leave here about 6. Oh, I gotta leave before 6 because traffic will be a motherfucker. I gotta leave about 5:30. This ain't gonna work out. No validated parking. If I gotta go to the hospital, I gotta go to the Gero Psychic Unit. She's either in the funny farm part of it or in the jail part of it. Witness check-in office. Oh, I got a problem with that too because there ain't no goddamn swinging dick out there big enough to make me fucking check in. Sorry, prison thing. Court scheduling. Your presence may require several hours. In order, cases are not heard and prearranged, and it depends on a number of considerations, including treatment needed for patients. We ask for your patience in the event your case is not first to be addressed. We may want to bring reading material, snacks, and beverage to make your wait more pleasant. Wireless internet access will also be available for small electronics or laptops. Harborview Medical Center also has a cafe and a bistro and coffee bars in the Norm Mailing Building. Norm Mailing Building, that's where they did my colon surgery. Yeah, I gotta go up fucking Harborview, it looks like. In many cases are resolved without a hearing if the patient and the hospital agree on a resolution. The resolution could include the patient agreeing to stay in voluntary inpatient treatment, or a continuance of hearing, or the patient leaving the hospital for outpatient treatment. In those incidents, you will not need to testify in court. It is important, however, you remain at court until a court order is signed by the judge or until the prosecuting attorney or a paralegal tells you you may leave. If a resolution cannot be reached, the case may proceed to evidentiary hearing, where a judicial officer will make a decision about the patient's mental disorder and treatment. If this is the situation, you may be asked to testify and sworn to tell the truth. The prosecuting attorney who represents the patient will ask you questions. When both attorneys have finished questioning you, the judge will direct you to step down from the witness stand. This will conclude your court appearance. You may watch the remainder of the hearing or leave the courtroom. A hearing will require an average of an hour to complete, and your testimony constitutes a portion of that time. When testifying, it is always important to tell the truth. No shit, they gotta remind you of that. Trials are controlled by the rules of evidence, which are developed to ensure fair trials. You must answer only the questions asked. Do not volunteer information about what you have not been asked. Listen to each question and answer as directly and completely and honestly as you can. Do not state what another person told you unless the other person was the patient. Only state your own personal knowledge to what you saw or heard, not what you assume or what you've been told by someone other than the patient. If during your testimony the attorney says objection or object, please stop talking and wait for the judge to overrule the objection or the attorney asks you another question. By testifying in court as directed, you are entitled to a fee of $10 plus a mileage payment. $10 to go rat some bitch out, huh? I don't know if I like this. That's about it for now. I'm going to have to call these cocksuckers up.